Ok, buen día niños y niñas. El día de hoy vamos a revisar el día número 4. Aquí acuérdense que aquí está apuntado el día en cada esquina de su papel. Aquí está el día. Y este es el que tienen que subir. Este es el que se sube al Class Dojo. Este de acá no me lo tienen que subir. Pero este sí, este va en el día 5. Esta era tarea de las vacaciones. Pero este es su trabajo de escuela, esta no es tarea. ¿Ok? Esto es como si ustedes estuvieran en la escuela, esto estaríamos haciendo. Entonces, van a subir ahora el día 4. De hecho, el día 4 ustedes lo subieron hoy. Y aquí está para que lo revisen, para que vean en qué se equivocaron, o si lo tienen todo bien, o si les faltan estrategias. De aquí van a confirmar que han hecho las estrategias. Cuando acabemos de checar el día 4, que es con el que ustedes van a checar mañana, les voy a dar una breve ayudadita en el día 5 para que ustedes puedan hacer mañana el día 5. Y el lunes ustedes no van a hacer nada el sábado y el domingo, solo el viernes van a trabajar en el día 5. El lunes ustedes van a tener el video del día 5 para que lo revisen y ustedes me van a hacer el día 6. Además, el día de hoy también vamos a hacer esta parte de la tarea de las vacaciones. Pero recuerden, esto solo es la tarea. Esto es lo más importante. Este es como su trabajo de clase, ¿ok? Entonces necesito que ustedes cumplan con esto y lo suban al día correcto. Si ustedes no me lo suben al día correcto, pues me complican mucho, porque si ustedes piensan, yo tengo 40 estudiantes y Quiroz tiene 40, y si ustedes no lo meten el día 1 y el día 2 y el día 3, matemáticas, se van a ir todos a un folder común. Entonces va a haber 40 trabajos míos y 40 de Quiroz, van a ser 80 trabajos. Pero van a ser 80 del día 1, y 80 del día 2, y 80 del día 3, y 80 del día 4. Ya estamos hablando de 320 trabajos en una misma sección. Imagínense yo para encontrar dónde está el de ustedes del día correcto. Sería muy difícil, ¿verdad? Entonces, por favor, asegúrense que lo meten en el día correcto. ¿Ok? Esto lo tienen que subir en el día 4 de su profile matemáticas. ¿Ok? Día 4 de su perfil de matemáticas o de su portafolio de matemáticas. ¿Ok? Bueno, vamos a empezar checando este trabajo, que ustedes lo tenían que haber subido el día de hoy, jueves. Bueno, empezamos. Aquí dice complete the table. We have shape, name of the shape, how many sides is the shape, and how many vertices. Okay, so we are going to start with this one where we already have an example that we did yesterday. Now we are going to solve this one. First, we start with counting the sides. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 sides. Now we count how many vertices. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 vertices. So now that we have 6 sides and 6 vertices, what's the name of the shape with 6 sides? Do you remember the name? Okay, the name is hexagon. So we write here, hexa, that means 6, gon. Okay, now we're going to solve this one. This one said here, 5 sides and 5 vertices. So when it has 5, that means that we're going to build one shape with 5 sides. It could be like this, or maybe like a little house. Both of these shapes has 5 sides. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is like a little house, and this is a regular pentagon. Remember that penta means 5. Okay, we are going to count the vertices now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. or in this other example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 means penta. So it's pentagon. Pentagon. This shape, it says that it's a triangle. So I can draw a triangle like this, or maybe I want to draw something like this, or maybe I want to draw something like this. All three are triangles. We count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 sides. Vertices, this one has 1, 2, 3, this one has 3, this one has 3. Okay, so it's any of these 3. You can draw any triangle. The only condition is 3 sides. Now, next one is a circle. So I draw a circle here. Uh-oh. My pen is not working. Circle. Then, how many sides is the circle? The circle is 0 sides and 0 vertices. Next one, it says 4. So when I have 4, I can draw a square. I can draw a square. I can draw a rectangle. I can draw a parallelogram, trapezoid, rhombus, diamond, kite. I can draw many different geometric or quadrilaterals. So in this case, I'm going to draw a rectangle, just because I want to draw a rectangle. We already have an example of another quadrilateral here. This is a trapezoid, but I'm going to draw a rectangle here. So it's 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So this is sides 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4. So this shape is named rectangle. But it is also a quadrilateral. Okay, next one, we count first the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we count the vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this shape is named, it's like a diamond, but it's a rhombus. I don't remember, it has an H here. I'm not sure, I got to check it, but rhombus, and it's a quadrilateral too. Okay, so we finished with this part. Now we're going to solve the addition and subtractions that we have here in the side. We start with this one, it's a subtraction. I'm going to draw here a place value chart. So this is ones, tens, and hundreds. So we have here 8 minus 9. So if you have $8, can you give me 9? So that's not possible. For that reason, I'm going to take away 1 from here, 1 10. So now I'm going to have just 5 tens. And I'm going to give 10 to the ones. So now I have 10 that I give from here plus the 8. Now I have 18. So what I have to do now is 18 minus 9 is 9. 5 minus 5 is 0. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Now this one. I'm going to draw my place value chart. First I have 7 plus 4 is 11. 11. Can I put 11 here? No. 11 is the same as 110 and 1 unit. So this is 1 unit or 1 1, and my 110 is going to be here. Now I have 1 10 and 3 tens. I have 4 tens and 6. Now I have 10 tens. Can I write here a 10? No. So I'm going to put 0 here and 1 here. And this is 100. So I have 0 tens and 100. Or 10 tens here is the same as 100. So I have 100 and 700 is 800. And 5 is 1300. Is 300, but I'm gonna have 1000 here. So now I have 1301. Next one. Can I take away 6 from 1? No, you cannot. I'm going to draw the place value chart. You cannot, so you have to ask the neighbor. So now this is going to be 2, and this is going to be 11. Now I have 11 minus 6 is 5. 2 minus 7, I can't, so I have to ask the neighbor. So this is going to be 12 now, but this is going to be 3. So I have 12 minus 7. I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I need 4. Oh, 12. I need 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is 5. So 7 to reach 12 is 5. Or 12 minus 7 is 5. Now I have 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, next one is an addition. I have 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is more than 10, so it's 14. So I'm gonna have 4 ones and 1 10. Now I have 1 and 3 is 4 and 2 is 6. Here I have 6 plus 1 is 7. 764. We already solved this one yesterday. Now we're going to solve this one. Can I take away 8 from 0? No. So what I have to do is to ask the neighbor. But the neighbor is 0, so I can't take away from the neighbor either. So I go to the next neighbor. So I have this 7 now is going to be 6, and this 0 now is going to be 10. I try again. I start the problem again, but now with these numbers. 0 minus 8. I cannot subtract 8 from 0, so I have to ask the neighbor. So this 10 now is going to be a 9. And this 0 now is 10. So now I can solve it. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 6 minus 3 is 3. 342. We already solved this one. So now we're going to solve this another one. I trace my place value chart. I have 7 minus 0 is 7. 2 minus 5, I can't. So this is going to be 2, and this is going to be 12. Now I have 12 minus 5. I have 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So I have 77. Next one. I have 5 minus 9. I can do it, so I have to ask a neighbor. This 1 is going to be 0. This 5 now is 15. So I have 15 minus 9 is 6. 0 minus 9, I can do it, so I have to ask the neighbor. This 3 is going to be 2, and the 0 is going to be 10 now. So 10 minus 9 is 1, and 2 minus nothing is 2. And finally, this one. I draw my place value chart. 4 minus 7, I can do it, so I ask the neighbor. The 3 is going to be 2, the 4 is going to be 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 2 minus 5, I can do it, so I ask the neighbor. This is going to be 7 now, and this is going to be 12. 12 minus 5, I have 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12. So it's 7. And I have 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay? Now we're going to solve this addition and subtraction problems. Okay? We start with this one. Okay. So what I'm going to do is 37 plus 54 plus 21. 7 and 4 is 11 and 1 is 12. 2 here and 1 here. So I have 1 and 3 is 4 and 5 is 9 and 2 is 11. So the answer is 112. Next one is 56 plus 44 plus 35. This one is easier because I know that 6 plus 4 is 10. That means this is the same as 50 plus 6, and this is the same as 40 plus 4. So if I add 6 and 4 is 10, and 50 and 40 is 90. So 56 plus 44 equals 100, because it's 50 adding 50 plus 40 is 90, and 6 and 4 is 10, so 90 plus 10 is 100. So now I have to do 100 plus 35, that's going to be 135. Remember, this is a strategy you can use, and it's faster than do this. But anyway, we can solve the addition here. 6 and 4 is 10, and 5 is 15. 5 and 1. So I have 1 and 5 is 6, and 4 is 10, and 3, 13. 135. Okay? Now we solve this one. We have 74 minus 32. We can do like this is 70 plus 4, and this is 30 plus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 7 minus 3 is 4, so it's 42. Anyways, we are going to solve it like this. 4 minus 2 is 2, 7 minus 3 is 4. So it's 42. This one is 68 minus 25. 8 minus 5 is 3, 6 minus 2 is 4. That's 43. It's the same. 8 minus 5 is 3, and 60 minus 20 is 40. So it's 43. Next one. I'm going to do it here. Here in the top. It's 36 minus 19. 6 minus 9, I can do it. So I have to ask the neighbor. This is going to be 2. This is going to be 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Oops. Is 7. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is 17. Okay, this is easier. Just add 10 or take away 10, or add 100 or take away 100. So we divide this in ones and tens. We add just 1 to the tens. So instead of 37, this is going to be 47. The 1 is with the tens. This one, we take away 1 from the tens also. So we have here 5 minus 1 is 4, and 6 is the same. Here we add 100 to 44, so it's going to be 144. We just add 1 to the hundreds. I don't have any hundreds here, so I add 1 here. I add a 100 here. Next one, I add 1 to the tens. So I have 6 and 1 is going to be 75. I have to take away 1 from the hundreds. The hundreds is the 5 here. So we take away 1 from 5. So it's 4 and the other 2 stay the same. Here it's the same. I had to take away 1 from the hundreds. The other 2 stay the same. So 100 minus 100 is going to be 0. And the 23 stayed the same. Now we have 123 plus 100. I just have to add 100 to the hundreds. So it's going to be, instead of 1, it's going to be 2, and the other 2 numbers stay the same. Here is the same. I have to add 100 to 634. So 100 to 600 is 700, and the 34 stay the same. So you have to check your day 4, check with the video if you solve it correctly. If not, correct your work, and if you don't have strategies, check the strategies here, because you have to add the strategies if you didn't put the strategies, or if you didn't use the strategies in your homework. Now what I'm going to do is to explain you how to solve the day 5. In this case, you have to use cubes in all the questions because you have word problems. So you have to circle the numbers, underline the question, box the keywords, but the most important part here is to check what is your key. So the key is telling me that each baseball ball is 5 home runs. So you have to count the home runs in each month. Remember, this is a pictograph, okay? So you count, each ball is 5. If you have one ball cut in the middle, that means that is, instead of 5, it's going to be 2.5. But we don't have any ball cut in the middle, so all of the balls are 5 here. I'm not going to help you more because it's very easy. Just answer the questions. Use cubes to answer, please. Now we're going to check the homework. It's the turn to check this part. This is very easy. I'm going to do it quick because supposedly you already know how to do this. So I'm not going to take much time to solve this. 8 and 3 is 11. 1 here and 1 here. 1 and 2 is 3 and 1 more is 4. So this is 41. 0 and 0 is 0. 7 and 5 is 12. 120. 7 and 9 is 16. 6 and 1 here. 1 and 2 is 3 and 1 more is 4. 46. We have 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 here and 1 here. 1 and 3 is 4 and 2 more is 6. 61. 5 and 6 is 11. 1 1 and 1 10. 1 10 and 5 tens is 6 tens. Plus 7 tens is 13 tens. So I have 3 and 100 because 10 tens is 100. So 13 tens is 130. And we already have 1 1 here. Next one is 8 and 8 is 16. I have 6 1 and 1 10. So 1 10 and 2 tens is 3 tens. And 1 more, 4 tens. 60 and 60 is 120. You already know that. 0 and 5 is 5. 5 and 2 is 7. 75. This is like quarters. 2 quarters plus 1 quarter is 3 quarters or 75 cents. You should know this. Okay, next one. 3 minus 7, I can't. So I'm going to ask the neighbor. This is going to be 6 and this is going to be 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. And 6 minus 1 is 5. 56. 0 minus 5, I can do it. So I ask the neighbor. This is going to be 4. This is going to be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. It's the same. This is like quarters. 50 cents minus 25 cents, or 2 quarters minus 1 quarter, is 1 quarter. This is 79 minus 75. So 9 minus 5 is 4, and 7 minus 7 is 0, so it's 4. 0 minus 8, I can't, so this is going to be 5, sorry. This is going to be 5, and this is going to be 10. 10 minus 8 is 2, and 5 minus 2 is 3, 32. Next one, 5 minus 9, I can't, so this is going to be 3, and this is going to be 15. 15 minus 9 is 6, and 3 minus 1 is 2, that's 26. 1 minus 3 I can't, so this is going to be 8, and this is going to be 11. 11 minus 3 is 11, 10, 9, 8. This is 8. And 8 minus 6 is 2, that's 28. Next one is 55 minus 25. 5 minus 5 is 0, and 5 minus 2 is 3, that's 30. And 100 minus 100 is 0. Now in this problem, they are just telling me that the letter D means 100 cents or $1. The letter HD means 50 cents or $0.50. The letter Q means 25 cents or $0.25. The letter D means 10 cents or $0.10. And the letter N means 5 cents or $0.05 dollars, and they are missing here the P, the penny. P equals to 1 cent or also $0.01 dollars. Okay, so we got to add this part. So I have $1, and this is 50 cents, so this is $1.50. We are going to put the little, los pelitos aquí. This is going to be 50. This is 50 cents. This is 25 cents. 1, 1, and this is 100 cents. So in cents, this is 150, 175, 76, 77, 78. That's 178 cents. The same as $1.78. Next one. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Oh, here. Next one. This is dollar. This is $100. 100. Quarter is 25. 25. 5. 5 and 1. So it's 100, 200, 225, 250, 255, 260, 261. 261 cents. Next one, I have $1. This is 100. HD is 50. HD, 50 again. D is 10. P is 1 and 1. So this is 100, 150, 200, 210, 211, 212. So this is 212 cents or $2.12. Okay? Next one. Dollar, this is 100 cents, 100 cents, 1, 1, 1, 1. So it is 100, 200, 201, 202, 203, 204. This is 204 cents or $2.04. Check, I am writing 2.04, not 2.40. 2.40 is $2.40. 2.04 is $2.04, not 40. This is a common mistake. Pay attention in this part. Do not write 2.40. Okay, next one. I have 100, 25, 25, 25, 10, 5, 1, 1, 1. So it's 100, 125, 150, 175, 185, 190, 191, 192, 193. That's 193 cents, or $1.93. This one is 100, HQ is 50, Q is 25, D is 10, N is 5, 5, 1. So it is 100, 150, 175, 185, 190, 195, 196. 196 cents, or $1.96. I say 100, no, it's $1.96. $1.96. Now, tell me how many hundreds, tens, and ones. And we have an example here. We have the number 745 is the same as 7 hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones, or 700 plus 40 plus 5. This is expanded form. The next one, 639 is the same as 600 and 3 tens and 9 ones, or 600 plus 30 plus 9. This is the same as 639. Next one, 325 is the same as 3 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 5 ones. This is the same as 300 plus 20 plus 5. Last one, we have 903. This is the same as 9 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 3 ones. This is the same as 9 hundreds plus no tens. I can put the 0 here, or just put nothing, and 3 ones. So my number is 9 in the hundreds place, 0 in the tens place, and 3 in the ones place. And that's it. That's all your work for today. So remember, tomorrow I want you to solve day number 5. Well, not tomorrow. You are going to watch this video this Friday. For me, it's tomorrow because I am recording this video on Thursday. But for you, you are going to solve day 5. Okay? And then you are going to check with this your day 4 if you solved it correctly. Okay, so tomorrow you work on day 5 and we check it on Monday. So Saturday and Sunday you are not doing anything. Alright kids, I hope to have a chance to have a conversation with you tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. Bye.